Add 3 cloves sliced. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 2 chopped chilies. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 pints of water and cook all together until mushy. Transferred to bigger pan because other pan was just that little bit too small. When the lentils get to the mushy stage, I will then add these tomatoes and some green beans. But any vegetables that are lurking about in the fridge can be added at this stage. These frozen whole green beans will be added with the tomatoes at the mushy stage. Garlic slices and cumin seeds being fried in coconut oil, ready to go on top of the Tarka Dal when it is mushy, with the tomatoes and green beans added, and when it's completely cooked and just for serving, the fried garlic slices and the cumin seeds will be sprinkled on top. This is now at the mushy stage. It's quite mushy, still quite a lot of water in it, but it's at the mushy stage to add the tomatoes and the green beans. Oh, the camera's steaming up. Tomatoes and green beans have now been added, and it will take about another 10-15 minutes to finish cooking. Nearly done. A watched pot never boils. Well, it looks like it's getting there to me. Hello, and this is the finished product. Nearly spelt it. And mainly I'm going to freeze it, but put it in the freezer in individual portions. I'm a family of 4, so if anybody wants to heat up an instant dinner, they can do. Absolutely delicious. I've put on the garlic and the cumin seeds. I don't know if you can see that very well. Garlic and cumin seeds, and it is absolutely delicious. Thank you, Helen, for this recipe. It's lovely. Like I said, you can use any vegetable that's knocking about in the fridge. Old cauliflower goes really nicely. Mushrooms, anything can go nicely with it. It's absolutely delicious. 7 portions, ready to freeze. So with the portion that I've just had for my lunch, there's 8 portions. It can be served with sliced garlic fried and cumin seeds, also with rice, mango chutney, poppadoms, pita breads, jacket potato, whatever you feel like. Or in pasta, could make a nice pasta dish as well.